Let's make chocolate.
Alright, so against making a cube, this is going to form the base for the chocolate bar, and I'm just going to reduce the width and the length there. Oh, I don't know what that was, but I'm just going to reduce topology because I want that specific number because I'm going to use the lines, okay, on this cube. Now, if you don't see these lines, make sure that your wireframe is turned on. You can also look just if you, depending on how you set up your setup, you could see it in the lower, just the lower parts on the left. You see wire, just make sure it's turned on so you can see this. The reason why I'm saying this because it makes it easier for you to just draw the lines. Okay, just gives you like a guideline basically, because I want to make sure the lines are as spaced out as evenly as possible and they look as clean as possible, as which is what you can see I'm doing. So you see everything is spaced out. I'm doing like sort of a grid, right? I'm sure there's probably like an easier way to do this, but yeah, I'm doing like sort of a grid, and this grid is going to be the part that goes inside. So you can see I inverted so that the white part is the part that goes inside. Now I use the shortcut to invert, but you could also just check the settings, the mask settings, and you see invert. Click on invert and then click on sharpen. Okay, I'm just reducing the length of that there because I realized it's too much. So that's what I'm doing, as you can see. And I'm just going to bring it in just like that, not too much because I don't want the lines to overlap, right? And I'm just going to use the smoothing tool to just smooth it. The smooth tool to just smoothing out that part. Now this is the reason why I'm doing this is so I don't run into issues when, you know, I move that area. Okay, so again, the wireframe is kind of useful in this part. So I'm just using the cell mask tool to just, you know, select the parts that I want to edit and then bring it in the reduce size and then push it downwards. Okay, and then there you have it. It's just really simple to do. I mean, you technically you're done at this point. So you just paint it and you're done. Okay, so I'm using the opportunity of some certain parts being selected to just color, right? Once you're done, make sure you clear the mask. Sorry, make sure that you clear the mask. The mask. Make sure you clear it. Okay, and yeah, Stephanie. So I'm going for the chocolate bar is inside a box sort of situation here, but you could make the entire thing I don't know, chocolate bar if you want, but that is what I'm going for here. So pink for Valentine, and just nice milk chocolates, brown chocolates inside the box. I'm just going to clone here because I'm trying to see different options basically. In fact, at the end of this video you can see what I did. Okay, now I want to make the outside packaging. So you can see I brought in a box and then duplicated that box, and then the one inside made it a little bit larger, hide it, and then select the other one which is outside and use the boolean. So what is that going to do? It's going to use the one inside, right? Use it to subtract, you know, an area inside this cube or inside this box. I don't know if that makes sense. So basically you're subtracting, right? I'm just going to paint this to match the color of the box. I mean, I could have just used the eyedropper. But yeah, and then I am going to make the heart shape. So I brought in a tri-planner, you know, use the master tool to just sort of draw out the shape. So you can just follow the settings I used here. Make sure that the lock plus radius is on, okay? And then just going to reduce the scale with it because the sides were being cut off. And that is all for that shape. I mean, I've done a video on this before, but this probably seems easier than the video I did. I'm just going to smoothen out the tri-planner there, smoothen out the shape so it looks a little bit more rounded. Okay, and I realize this is too much because my laptop, I don't know, like the memory isn't bad, but Nomad Sculpt does take a toll on it. So I try to make sure that the load is as little as I can afford. Oh, it's as little as I can make it to be, rather. So you can see I reduced topology there. I'm just bringing it to the middle, right? And voila, that is your chocolate bar. And I'm just going to change this refraction because just to add some difference in, in texture or look, just to differentiate it from the plate and the box itself. Okay, I'm just going to subdivide chocolate bars so they are smoother, optional. And I realized, oh, I don't know, I must have clicked on something and just mistakenly sculpted or edited the chocolate bar, right? It's not like there's anything wrong with the process, but like, yeah, I must have mistakenly clicked on something. Maybe the smooth tool and just mistakenly smoothing out places I shouldn't have smoothed out. So you can see I'm adding the lights just so it's more visible. I'm just going to switch on the post process, which makes a lot of difference. It's amazing. No, it's called post process. It's really good, right? Just going to add some balance there with extra heart shapes, just extra Valentine. And there is your chocolate. So cute, so cute, so cute. So yeah, what else did I do? Oh yeah, I want to put it on the second one too. So I'm going to do is just select everything in the box, the heart box itself, move it, duplicate, and then move it to the other one. And I'm going to add everything in a group so it's easier to, if I want to clean it in, to just move it. So you can see that's right. Right, that's all. These are the settings I used. You can make it pixelated if you want. You can put skyline if you're going for like a sci-fi, maybe signboard sort of thing. I like this, so I'm just going to do like this. So thank you guys again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine. Happy Valentine's Day. And yeah, bye.